Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I'm going to show you the journals the Happy Planner sent over from their winter release. This releases on Monday, December 5th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And if you need a journal, they got you covered. From budget, faith, goals, recovery, fitness, and then just a journaling guided journal, they've got you covered. So let's take a look at these. One thing I will say, they all have a very similar cover. They all have the lettering, the hand lettering, kind of like with a white, almost like paint over color. So we've got budget, faith, goals, recovery, fitness, and this one, if you're familiar with it, this did come out, I'm trying to remember when this one came out, but it was a big hit, and I know it sold out like immediately. So this has been a really popular one because it kind of almost combines Bujo with some things that are already done for you to help you out along the way. So we're going to start with this one. And I'll just give you an idea because there's tons of flip throughs on this one. I even have one on my channel. You can go back and check this out. But it really just kind of goes through and has some things already done for you. So it kind of makes it easy to fill out and keep up with. And it just is fun and really cute. So this one is a really popular layout. So if journaling is something that you want to get into, then I would definitely suggest checking this one out. All right, so there's our first one. These are all in the classic Happy Planner size. Let's check out another one. Okay, next up is the fitness journal. And this one also has the kind of like terrazzo tile. Look inside, remember why you started. There are 4 tabs in here, and each tab has 1 month's worth of pages for the journal. That's if you did it every single day. But the beauty of an undated is you don't have to do it every single day, right? It's up to you. So this starts out with the week of 2 actions I can take to achieve my goal this week. What event or circumstances is coming up this week that might disrupt my routine? How can I prepare to stay on track? Habits to start, habits to stop. Who can I compliment or encourage? And then weekly trackers right here, or daily, daily trackers. So this sets you up for success for the week. Then you go into your individual dailies. They all have the how am I feeling, hours slept, water intake, and your meal tracker and your workout tracker. But these prompts will change every day and repeat each week. So they've got things to keep you encouraged, like, and motivated, and just focus on what's going on every day. Like, what temptations or challenges did I face? What did I do to overcome them? How am I grateful for my body today? I am proud of myself for. So there's just different things. Who or what is motivating me? What habit can I focus on for improvement? So just things to keep you going throughout the week and keep you just always focusing on, I guess, your journey. So this is, again, a fitness one. So it's going to have all of the things you need to set yourself up for success. So again, it's going to repeat. You've got your weekly recap after each, all the days of the week. You've got your weekly recap so that you can evaluate, how did I feel about my overall progress from the week? My proudest moment? What circumstances set me back? What can I improve on for next week? And then some notes, like nice note section. You could even do like a photo recap of like what's going on or things you ate or recipes, whatever. It's, again, totally up to you. And then we start again. I think it's important to have your recap so that you know how to move forward to make your plan for the next week. So we'll just look at the dividers since this does repeat. Positive energy, positive results. And then we've got the terrazzo tile. Stop wishing, start working. And stronger than yesterday. So this is the fitness journal. And the recovery journal. I think we've seen this layout before. Love the terrazzo. Let's take a look at what this says under here. Hold on. Mess before mastery. That's definitely true for me. Okay. So then you have your week. Again, it's going to be similar. You're going to have your planning for the week and then your days. And there'll be a month in each of the 4 dividers. So this one is week of, and then to be blank this week, I'm going to. So you're setting your own goal. And these are the habits you're going to keep track of. What are you looking forward to this week? What is taking up space in my head? Have I been selfish, dishonest, or afraid? What can I do differently? Do I need to fix something? Do I owe an apology to anyone? What have I done well? What victories can I celebrate? How can I help others or be of service? How will I nurture my recovery this week? And then we go into the dailies. Again, it's very similar to the workout layout where you've got things that are going to prompt you. But each one has a daily gratitude. And something that you've learned throughout the process. This layout has been in the Happy Planner Recovery Journal before. So if you are familiar with the layout, it is the same. So you're going to have these prompts for each day. And then we're all a work in progress note. And then we start again with the week. So let's look at the dividers for this one. Don't be the same, be better. Some terrazzo tile with hey you, keep going. And reset, realign, reclaim, reignite. So that is the recovery planner. It's a recovery journal, not a planner. The next one is goals. I'm excited to check this one out. It's a goals layout. So we've got, again, our terrazzo tile, goal getter. And let's take a look. All right. This month's focus. This month's big goals. So you've got your goals and action items and reward. I love that. And then we've got a monthly habit tracker. So you put your habit and then mark off if you did it. This week's goals. So now we're getting into the weeks. Write a positive quote to follow this week. So it's kind of like a mantra, like giving yourself a mantra. Important due dates this week. List 3 things that can help you achieve your goal, and list 3 things that inspire you. I love that. This is really cool. And then we've got what is your main goal today? So now you're getting into the daily journaling piece. What ways to help you achieve your goal. Write 3 positive daily reminders to yourself. 1 thing that made you feel hopeful today. 3 wins from today. 2 lessons from today. So again, it's still bringing forth that whole thing about achieving your goal, but each day it kind of changes up what you're thinking and asking and journaling about. This one has even tasks. This one has 3 positive daily reminders again. 1 thing that made you feel hopeful, 1 thing that made you feel proud. So these are really fun. I think that's pretty cool. If you've got I'm excited to try this because a lot of times we set our goals and we aren't, I guess, I'm not putting as much intent behind them every single day. And I think that this would help achieve that. So then you get into, now we're at the monthly goal check-in. So you check in on those. You look at, wow, your progress from 0 to 100%, a milestone, and an area to improve. So this is really good. Kind of like going back and being accountable to your goals at the end of the month. And then you're setting it up again for your week. And then it's going to just keep repeating. So let's look at dividers. We've got difficult doesn't mean impossible. Dwell in possibility. And every morning you have 2 choices. Continue to sleep with your dreams or wake up and chase them. That's so good. Okay. So I think I'm pretty excited about this one. I don't typically journal, but I'm excited to start focusing more. And I think this will help. This one is a faith journal. And let's see what this one says. Pray without ceasing. All right. So here you put prayers, and you could do it days of the week. I guess if you've got a specific one that you do multiple times, you could circle maybe extra dates, or if it's a specific date and people you're praying for, you could put them there with the date and what day of the week it was, I guess. And then, so this has like the scripture you're reading and just different things like, does the word speak to me? I'm seeing God's hand in. Who can I encourage today? Today I'm finding hope in. Today I'm rejoicing in his truth. What one simple joy did you experience today? And 3 blessings. This one is praising him for his simple gifts, and I'm so grateful for. So again, things that will help inspire and like if you're doing Bible reading, things that you were pulling out and learning from your readings. All right, so this is going to change with different prompts. And then we've got sermon notes with key points, key verses, observations, questions I have, summary and application. I like the questions I have too. Like just, it's a lot more topics than I think I've seen in some of the other, I guess I've only looked at planners. I've never really seen a faith journal. And then we start again for the week. Let's see if there's anything at the end of the month or anything different. No. Okay. So it goes week by week. And then let's look at dividers. God is a promise keeper. More Jesus, more joy. Praying, believing, trusting. So if you do any kind of faith journaling, I think this would be a good one. All right. I saved budget for last. Probably, I'm a little confused what a budget journal is even going to be. So we're going to check this out together because I have no idea. And it's probably because I probably need to do this one. And I'm like, I got to check this out. Okay. Set up your goals. So you've got your monthly financial goals and the action steps you need to do to achieve them. I'm like getting nervous. Okay. Some dot grid. All right. I'm in for this one. This is a bill schedule. I love that you can put the due dates, bills and due dates. I'm a little mixed up. I think I would put the bill. I'm a little confused. I don't know if you'd put the bill, maybe if they're due the same day, you could put the bill and the due date here and then the amount each month, maybe? I don't know. I gotta figure that one out. All right. And then debt tracker. And it's got the account, interest rate. This is really good. I think a lot of times we forget some of this stuff. Like I don't pay attention to some of these things. So this is really making you be mindful of it, which can be pretty good. So this will be 4 months worth again, just like the other ones. All right. Savings tracker. So now what you're saving for, how much you need, and your starting balance, and your monthly goal. And it's in a 4-month period. Yep. Okay. Very cool. And then budget review, income, expensive, what you saved. Is there anything you can improve on for next month? Okay, that's really cool. And that goes through the 4 months. It's almost like this is, I wonder what's going to, okay, so this is different. I like this. So this piece of it, before you even get into the 4 tab section, is like a 4-month overview of what is going on, which I think is really good. I think that's pretty good because like I don't track this stuff in my planner, so it would need a place to live. So I kind of like that. All right. What event or circumstance is coming up this month that you know you will need to spend money on? Whoa. What can you do to adjust and save? Things you want, things you need, things you actually need. What can you give up and say no to or let go this month? Wow. See, I don't think about those things and I probably need to. Okay. And then we've got our monthly expenditures, income, how much you're spending on the different categories, a no spend tracker. So you could do some challenges, weekly expenses, daily gratitude. Where did you see temptation today? Small victories. Okay, so these are going, so this is kind of like our dailies, like we were doing in the other ones, where there's going to be different prompts. Like what is inspiring and motivating you to financially plan? When you think about financial freedom, what comes to mind this week? Those are good. And then action steps and small steps. So each day of the week, you're going to have things that are keeping you focused on your budget. And then I bet it's going to start over again. Just want to make sure there's no additional, yeah, those are the weekly ones. All right. And now we're going to look at the dividers. Once you need less, you will have more. Pay your future first self. Oh my God, I said that wrong. Pay your future self first. Pay your future first self. No. Okay. And then a budget is about giving every dollar a purpose. These are really good. I think everybody could probably benefit from doing this. I think sometimes I bury my head in the sand because like it's hard. And I don't know, sometimes it's like when you think, oh, well, I just don't have it. I just can't spend anything. But I think it'll be really good to start being more mindful of that and start planning for a lot more than I have before. And so, oh, I'm scared, but I think I'm going to give this one a try. So thank you so much for watching all the journals. I'd love to know which ones you're excited about and which one you're looking at trying. Again, these come out Monday, December 5th at 9 a.m. Pacific time. And I've got the link down below. And I would love it if you'd use that if you're going to be getting any of these journals. Thank you so much. And also, if you hit that like, subscribe, and reminder bell, you'll get notifications when I make more videos. Thanks again for watching and have an awesome day.